English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Maintain, nuisance, rapidly. Maintain. Maintain is a verb. B2 learners usually know maintain. At B2, to maintain means to keep in good condition and to continue to have something. Here are some examples. Money is needed to maintain the roads. They maintain the building to a high standard. Retailers have maintained sales levels by offering discounts. Nuisance. Nuisance is a noun. B2 learners usually know nuisance. A nuisance is a person, thing or situation that annoys a person or causes a problem. Here are some examples. A fox near a sheep farm can be a real nuisance. Sit down and be quiet. Stop making a nuisance of yourself. They play loud music every night. It's really a nuisance. Rapidly. Rapidly is an adverb. B2 learners usually know rapidly. Rapidly means quickly or suddenly. Here are some examples. His blood pressure shot up rapidly. They hope to expand their sports business rapidly. In the summer, the grass grows rapidly. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with maintain, nuisance and rapidly. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR B2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.